This is a video about endnote numbering. Um, Sometimes we'll encounter a situation where the endnote numbering doesn't behave like we would expect it to, and then we kind of have to figure out why. So let's just see what's going on with this document. So here we have endnote number 18, which is inserted here, and endnote number 19, which is inserted here. We have a cross-reference here to endnote 18. So we don't want to let that confuse us. And then we have the place where we want to insert our endnote here, which is number 20. So let's go ahead and delete this. This was copied over from Word. And we just want to insert our new endnote. We go to Type, Insert Endnote, and it inserts at place 19, which isn't what we expect. So let's go ahead and just type in some text, 20, which is what we expect. We'll change the paragraph style, and that didn't help. So let's go back to where we were and see if we can fix the problem. Okay, I need to add a space here. Change this text to black. All right. So now we have endnote number 18, and what was endnote number 19 is here, but now 19 is over here, so it's going 18, 19, 20. And I think what happened is, for whatever reason, InDesign is putting this text frame, this one, first, and this one second. So there are a few ways you could probably do that. You could solve this. You could probably copy the text from here, place it into here, and then do the same, just reverse them. So keeping this text frame where it is, but swapping the text. That would probably work, but an easier way to do it is probably just to link up these frames. So I'm just going to click here and link this frame to this frame, and then just insert a space. We'll go ahead and apply the right style to that title. Let's see, it should be subhead blue. This. Well, it looks like maybe we need some more space after. Maybe it's okay. Well, that might have to be reviewed. But now we can see that because we've shown InDesign that the flow is this text frame and then this text frame, the numbering is correct. So it goes 18, 19, 20. I hope that helps.